All right, traders, let's take a deep look at Coin, because what's happening right now could set the tone for its next big move. Whether you're looking for the next short-term push or preparing for a deeper drop, this is a moment you don't want to ignore. So as you can see, we are right now on Coin, and if you missed our previous analysis, you can check the link in the description, because what we predicted earlier played out beautifully. In that analysis, I mentioned that if Coin breaks above the trend line and gives a retest, then we should look for a buy from there to the upside. And as you can see, that's exactly what happened. The market broke the trend line, came back to retest around that same level, and gave us a clean short-term buying opportunity. If you took that trade, congratulations. You must have caught that quick bullish wave perfectly. Now, let's talk about what's happening right now. If we zoom in, we can clearly see that Coin is currently in a downtrend direction. The market is forming a very clean and classic series of lower highs and lower lows, which clearly shows that sellers are in control at the moment. Now, if we draw our trend line connecting the most recent swing highs, you can see that this trend line has been respected multiple times. Each time the price tapped into this level, the market reacted sharply, showing strong rejection candles, a clear sign that sellers are still defending that zone aggressively. Here's exactly what I'm waiting for. If the price comes back to this same trend line again, somewhere around the $69 region, and gives us a bearish candlestick pattern, something like a bearish engulfing or a clear rejection wick, then that will be our signal to look for a sell opportunity from there down. However, if the market decides not to respect that trend line this time and instead breaks above it, that will change the story completely. In that case, we're going to wait for the retest around the same level, roughly between $68 to $69, and look for a bullish candlestick confirmation to buy from there to the upside. So to summarize everything, the overall trend of Coin right now is bearish, forming a consistent series of lower highs and lower lows. Our trend line has been respected multiple times, showing strong selling pressure whenever price touches it. If price returns to that trend line and gives us a bearish signal, we'll look to sell from there down. But if price breaks and retests that level successfully, that's a strong clue that buyers are taking control, and we can look for a buy from there up. So that's all for today's analysis on Coin. Keep your eyes on that $69 zone. It's the key decision area. Now tell me in the comments, do you think sellers will defend that level again, or will buyers finally break through it this time? Let's see what you think. For now, stay patient, stay disciplined, and I will see you in the next video.